Hi everyone, let me show you the interface of Lead Navigator. This demo and basically the whole process consists of 4 parts. Part 1 is the search for leads in Lead Navigator by certain criteria. Part 2 is the search for additional leads in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Part 3 is the generation of email addresses. And part 4 is the export into file or directly to the CRM system. In our case, this is Zoho CRM. So let me start with the first part. After the login, you get to leads page where you can search for leads by certain criteria. The criteria are account name, account location, account size, account industry, lead title, or lead location. Account dataset, this is the feature that allows you to use ready-made lists of account which are already collected, and you'd like to use this predefined list of accounts to find new leads. So let's see how it works. For example, my target location is Germany, and I'm looking for large enterprises from motor vehicle manufacturing industry. Let's see. We have a number of leads where we have person name, email related information, lead title, lead raw location, lead structured location, account name, account website, account headquarter location and structured location, account size, account industry. Let me narrow down the search. For example, I'm looking for leads from Germany, but for example, not from Bavaria, so I can exclude Bavaria like this. Okay, I have less leads here. For example, I would like to have leads from BMW only. Okay, it's number of leads here. And let me see if we have CEO here. Okay, so there are several records related to CEO, but I see there is assistant, so I can exclude this word from lead title. Looks just like this. Okay, it's gone. And also this is the deputy CEO. I also would like to exclude it, but I can do that clicking on the record and click on exclude lead title. Okay, so let me see if there is any CFO or financial officer, chief financial officer. Okay, it's not here, but then I can go to the second stage and search for more leads by my criteria, search in LinkedIn. So first I need to save my search. I get my BMW search. I put my email address here. It will be used for email notifications on a later stage when email generation will be finished or when export will be finished. So this is the criteria. Save my search. Search saved successfully, and then I can run LinkedIn search. Okay. On the saved search tab, I can see all my saved searches. Name, notification, mail, filters, statistics, with number of leads, number of accounts, leads with verified emails, emails which need to be generated. So this statistic will be updated as soon as search finds some leads. So my search is running, it started. Here I will see also information about accounts and leads that will be collected. Information about import into Lead Navigator. And on a later stage, I will see here the statistics about email generation process and the export. Okay, my search is working. Let me show you one important feature that makes life easier. We have filter lists, for example, filter list by position, where I can collect lead titles and use them in my saved search. So, for example, let me call it C-level list, and here I can put CEO, CTO, CIO, I can also put something like Chief Executive Officer and so on. Here I can also add some titles or keywords which I would like to exclude. For example, I don't want that, I don't want to find assistant, interim positions. So I can put here any excludes I like to have, then confirm. I can have the list by industry, so I can combine several industry list, and I can have several industries here. Include. I can also exclude if make, and the same for location. For example, I can combine several states of the United States into one list. US list, for example, Massachusetts and Texas. That's it. And later on the leads tab, so I can use this filter list, for example, industry, my industry list. I can use it here. Lead title, I can use C-level list, or in location I can use US list for lead location, or account location, the same list. So that's a really nice feature that allows you to create this list only once and use that in different saved searches. So my search has been completed, and I can see that here in the search status. It took a bit more than 1 hour. Then I also see in the statistics that there were 2 potentially available accounts, and one was skipped because it is already present in Lead Navigator. One not matched, something irrelevant that was returned by LinkedIn, and there were some leads collected. That leads are imported into Lead Navigator. So let's see if there are some CE4 leads, which I was trying to find. So I can see that we have found 1, 2, 3 CE4 leads. So that sounds good to me. And let's move to the stage number 3 and try to generate emails for this lead. So I just click here, and I'll be waiting for an email telling that email generation process is over. So I received a new email about email generation process, but my search and I see that there should be 2 valid emails and unfortunately 4 invalid, but at least something. So let's see. Yeah, I see that 2 emails are generated, and I can move to the stage number 4 and make export of these leads. So probably I need to export only leads with verified emails. So I check here and click on export to CSV. Okay, so this is export file with all the information. The email addresses of these leads, and I can also make the export to our CRM system, to Zoho CRM. So by clicking here, make an export. I should receive another email about export operation. So let's wait for a moment. It should be completed shortly. Okay, it's now completed, and I can see that email here. Export Zoho, my search. So I see that account is skipped because it's already present in Zoho CRM, and 2 leads are exported. So I can check that. These 2 leads, let me switch to Zoho CRM. It's here, and I'm looking for leads tab, leads which are created by Lead Navigator today. So let's see. Yeah, that's it. These 2 leads are here with email addresses, and we have integration between our CRM software and email mailing software, Reply.io, so I can send these leads to Reply.io for further email campaigns. So what we've seen today, this is 4 steps. We can search for leads in Lead Navigator by certain criteria. Then we can run additional search for leads in LinkedIn and find the profile which were not present in Lead Navigator for some reason. And then we can generate email addresses for leads and finally export leads to Zoho CRM for further processing. That's basically it. Thank you for watching.